In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of creating an email account using the MwzConnectcom dashboard, connecting it to the Outlook app and associating it with Google Workspace. By following the step-by-step instruction, you'll be able to successfully set up an email account and take advantages of the feature offered by Google account. Let's dive in. Step 1. Access your MwzConnect.com account. You can create an email account by either going to the Cpanel and creating it from there. Or by creating it directly from the MwzConnect dashboard without having to leave the platform. Step 2. Once your email is created, let's connect it with the Outlook app or any other mail app of your choice. In this tutorial, we'll demonstrate the process using the Outlook app. Open the Outlook app on your device. Tap on the Add Account to begin the process. Enter your email address in the provided field. Enter the password for your email account. Click on Advanced to access additional settings. In the SMTP username field, type your email address again. Enter the password for your email account in the correspondence field. Tap on Add Account to complete the setup process. The Outlook app will now attempt to configure the account setting automatically. Once the configuration is completed, your email will be added to the app, and you'll be able to send and receive email using the Outlook app on your device. Now that your email account is successfully connected to the Outlook app, you can proceed to the next step, which is connecting to Google Workspace. To maximize the benefit of your MwzConnect business email, you can create a Google account using the email address you have created. Follow the step-by-step to sign up for a Google account. By signing up for a Google account, you can seamlessly integrate your MwzConnect email with Google's suite of productivity tools, enhancing your business communication and collaboration. That's it! You have successfully created an email account using MwzConnect business email, connected to Outlook and associated with a Google account. Now you can enjoy the benefits of using your business email with Google Docs, Sheets, and Google Drive for seamless collaboration and productivity. If you're looking for reliable hosting services, we invite you to get started with MwzConnect. Visit our website at MwzConnect.com to explore our hosting option and take your online presence to the next level. Thank you for choosing MWZ as your trusted partner for email and hosting solutions. We are here to support your business every step of the way.